We talked about how we can continue in a systematic way to identify the interests that we share with Pakistan, and there are many, and then find ways to act on them jointly. Final thing I would say is that the Minister and I and her colleagues and Ambassador Munter and my colleagues talked a lot about the future and how to continue this dialogue between Pakistan and the United States and to continue the work we want to do together. And I'm sure that we can make a commitment to future work, and that future work will have action and be successful.
Most of our interaction was, of course, at the bilateral level and how to continue to build on this partnership, which is, as I said, important not only for the two countries, but for the region and for the world. And I think this is going to continue to be a process, an intensive process, a process in which we have and we like to have a meeting of minds. As we go forward, it gives us, every interaction that we have gives us an opportunity to be able to share notes, to be able to understand each other's perspectives more clearly. And this is what we like to believe will lead to the strategic coherence that we often talk about.